LAPD and California Highway Patrol just initiated a high-speed pursuit of an armed gang member wanted for a violent felony. This wasn't a stolen car chase. The pursuit started in Sylmar, where a passenger unexpectedly jumped out of the moving vehicle and fled on foot. But the driver kept pressing the gas. He pushed the car to a blistering 120 miles per hour on the I-5 southbound, executing a suicidal tactic, killing his headlights completely to evade LAPD's air support in total darkness. As the suspect entered the surface streets of North Hollywood, flying through intersections at over 80 miles per hour, LAPD's helicopter maintained a perfect lock. Knowing the extreme danger to the public, ground units executed a flawless containment strategy, pushing the driver right into a tactical dead end. After driving around for some time, the driver slowed down and stopped at the Laurel Canyon Boulevard and Van Allen Street intersection with his hands out the window. A passenger in the back seat also surrendered to LAPD officers.